that's what they call me. Promise that you never be alone.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing nails today, and we have some supplies on the table, so let's show y'all that. So guys, we have stuff like the clear polish, the little hand cream, body butter. We have a filer and some little clippers, yeah. Nails, some pink gel nail polish, and some Sally Henson hard as nails and glue. So we already picked out some nails for her to, like, you know, get. Hey guys, okay, while she do that, I guess I'll do the talking and explain what's going on here. So right now she's applying a little glue to my nail, and then you just place the nail on top of it. And you have to be careful with the glue. You don't want a whole bunch because it gets really messy and it starts sticking to your cuticles and all over your fingers, and it could also get on top of the nail. So you apply just enough to where the nail will stick, and then depending on the glue, it can get hot and it could cause the nail to melt. So you don't always want the strongest glue they have. So just a regular hold is fine. Sometimes a super hold is just that, super glue. I'm not sure what they intend for it to. It don't really make a difference. They kind of both pop off at the same time, so I don't think it really makes a difference the stronger the glue. I think you should just go with something that's not going to be burning you or melting the nail. So we use this one here and it works great. And don't forget about those bloopers at the end, guys. If you made it this far through the video, you see that we will have bloopers, and they are so funny. But here we're gonna go ahead and we got all the nails on, and we just kind of clip them to the length that we want. And Destiny is really good at this. She's been doing nails since she was probably like old enough to glue, which probably at 5 or 6 they've been playing with nails. I swear, they love playing with nails. They're play with those like for hours, so it's really great to get your girls some nails and just let them go to town. You know, it's great quality time too. Here she's going ahead and filing it down and making it nice and smooth, and if you want to kind of make them curvy or oval, you could do that. Or now in the stores you could buy them to where they're pointy, oval, or squared off, so you could kind of just buy it, or you can file it down yourself to the way you want it. So I figured it's a little easier to just keep them square, and I like the look anyway with them square. It looks nice already, as you can tell. Like, you would think, oh, just wear them like that, but no, we gotta dazzle them up a little bit. So you could also buy like gems and stuff like that to add to it and make them really, give them a little bling. Right here we're applying this kind of like this little cute pastel pink, and it's gel nail. It dries. Actually, this one I think we just got from the dollar store for a great price. So you can also get gel nail polish from the dollar store and save a lot of money opposed to paying $30 at a salon, and it's going to take a lot longer. This don't take long at all. And then we just switched it and put a color on one of the nails. And we also have other gel colors, but I wanted the purple because I'm going to wear purple and pink tomorrow. I decided to wear like this purple and pink outfit, so I'm getting it cute for that day. And here we're gonna add our polish, and we want to double it just like you would go into a nail salon. We definitely want to do a second coat over our polish because that just makes it pop. So always do a second coat. I always suggest. It's just more prettier and the color defines. And here we're pretty much done. We're just gonna go ahead and finish up the ones we have with the color, and then we're gonna add the clear polish to it to just give it a coat on top of that. That way it just won't smudge and crack and stuff like that. So definitely don't forget to put your clear polish on as well. And it looks great. So far she's doing a wonderful job. Her and her sister both do great jobs on nails. I love buying them nails because they're definitely going to play with them. It's not something they just put down and be like, oh, I don't want to do this. Even the clear ones, you could get those on Amazon. You could get the clear case. You get a lot of nails on Amazon. The clear nails, the square nails, the oval, any that you choose, and you could get it by a bundle. So that way, if they mess up, when they pop off, they could just fix them. Well, you know. I think it looks great, and I appreciate Destiny for coming and joining us on the channel and, you know, doing a wonderful job on my nails. Thanks, boo. I love it. All right, guys, here's your bloopers. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing nails, and since there's no salons open, we're going to be doing them at home. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing some nails. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing my mama's nails and what is so funny? Okay. So today we'll be doing her nails and we started. Yes.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never